Writing a grant budget is one of the most time-consuming and error-prone parts of any research application. Figures get inconsistent between sections, costs are miscalculated, and formatting takes hours to get right. Today, I'm showing you how ScholarForge Academy's Grant Budget Builder can generate a complete, professionally formatted, multi-section grant budget in minutes, with a smart budget locking system that keeps every figure consistent from start to finish. When you open the Grant Budget Builder, the first step is configuration. You choose between two budget types: detailed budget with 10 sections, or simple budget with 4 sections for smaller grants. The detailed budget is what most researchers need for major funders like NIH, WHO, DANIDA, or institutional grants. It walks you through every cost category systematically. You can optionally upload your funder's guidelines as a PDF or Word file, and the system will detect your required sections automatically. Add your document title, author name, and institution. These appear on the professional cover page of your downloaded document. In the project description field, describe your study team, location, main activities, and duration. In budget constraints, add your total budget cap, preferred currency, and any funder-specific requirements. Then click Next. Review structure. This is where ScholarForge's Grant Budget Builder stands apart from anything else available to African researchers. You'll see 10 sections laid out in order. The first section is the Budget Master Plan, and this is the key innovation. Before any category section is generated, the system first creates a locked master table listing every single line item across all categories, with fixed quantities, unit costs, and totals. This master plan then gets injected into the system prompt of every subsequent section. Personnel, equipment, travel, fieldwork, services, overhead, consolidated table, and justification. All of them are constrained to use the exact same figures from that master plan. No more inconsistent vehicle hire days between sections. No more different personnel totals in the consolidated table. Each section shows its word count, which you can adjust freely. You can also remove sections that don't apply or add custom ones. When you're happy with the structure, click Start Generating. Click Generate all remaining sections, and ScholarForge writes your entire budget automatically, one section at a time. You can follow the live progress bar at the top, and section completion badges appear below as each one finishes. The system generates a budget master plan with all locked figures, a budget summary with category breakdown, detailed personnel, equipment, travel, fieldwork, services, and overhead sections, each with properly formatted markdown tables, including item, description, unit, quantity, unit cost, and total cost columns, followed by a consolidated budget table that aggregates everything, and finally, a budget justification narrative explaining every major expenditure. The module uses Tanzania and East Africa regional cost benchmarks, so figures for vehicle hire, per diem, research assistant salaries, fuel, printing, and communications are pre-calibrated for our context. For international grants, it also supports NIH modular format, DANIDA overhead rules, and OFTE-based costing. When complete, download your full budget as a formatted Word document, with your institution name in the header, study title on the cover page, dark-themed professional tables, and category subtotals throughout. Writing a grant budget used to take days, sourcing cost benchmarks, formatting tables, ensuring consistency across sections, writing justifications for every line item. ScholarForge Academy's Grant Budget Builder handles all of that in minutes. Whether you're applying to NIMR Tanzania, the African Academy of Sciences, NIH, WHO, or any other funder, the system adapts to your requirements and produces a budget that's ready to submit. To try it yourself, visit ScholarForge.academy. If this walkthrough was useful, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. I'd love to hear what funder you're applying to. See you in the next video.